My name is Andy Darke, and I'm Operations and Event Manager at Bustler Market. I think time-wise, with it be starting in January, a little bit of downtime for us as an industry, it was a good opportunity to sort of learn some new skills. I'm coming from a hospitality background. I'm not terribly informed in the sort of business world and strategy and processes and stuff like that. So it was a good opportunity to just learn more of the business side of things. Yeah, it's been really helpful to learn a lot of new stuff, and then also be reinforced that we were doing a lot of the things that were a part of the program, but weren't necessarily we weren't identifying them as such. So a good opportunity to identify the things that we were doing right and take on some new stuff. I think for any SMEs, it's always good to learn new things. It's good to meet other SMEs and talk about what problems we've all been having, and what, how we're going to fix them. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it.